Welcome to the first episode of Scent Trials. I'm trying to make an oatmeal, milk, and honey scent to go in perfume, but the one that I have is way too sweet. So I'm trying to add scents that will calm down the sweetness. So let's see what we have here. I have 3 options right here. The first one, let me get my notebook out. The first one is, it has oatmeal, milk, and honey. It has antique sandalwood, and it has coconut in it. I don't really like that one. The coconut is peeking through way too much. If I use this one, I'll have to probably add more oatmeal, milk, and honey in it. The second one has oatmeal, milk, and honey, antique sandalwood, and blueberry cobbler. This one was alright. It kind of balanced really well. The blueberry cobbler, blueberry to me, when you smell it, is very, very potent. It has like this extra pungent smell. It doesn't, like, blueberry does not smell good by itself when melting. So, but this combination right here, because it was a little bit of blueberry added, maybe about 2%, it's a really good combination. Now to the last one, which is my favorite, and you'll probably be shocked by it, but it only has 2 things, and that's oatmeal, milk, and honey, and antique sandalwood. And so far so good. I like this one. This might be the one that I use, but only time will tell, because I just mixed these scents. So by this evening, it will probably change again. By tomorrow, it will change again. And by the next day, it'll probably change again. So I'll keep you posted. Alright guys, we are at the 24-hour mark. And scent number 1 has changed several times. I've liked it, I've not liked it, I don't like it. Scent number 2 have grown on me. The blueberry kind of gives it a little bit of a kick. And scent number 3 is still the same. It's still wow, because it's only 2 scents. So it's either between 2 or 3. Alright guys, y'all have a good one.